Welcome back to my channel, friends. This is Sonia here, and today I have this beautiful tower explosion box video tutorial for you all. So this is how it looks. It has 3 layers. Yes, it has 3 boxes, 3 flaps, and this is just amazing and so beautiful, and it's super easy to make. So now in this you can see that it has 3 boxes and 3 flaps where you can have your pictures and journaling, and you can have all the amazing things and gift it to your friends and family. Now how to make it? So here I have these paper strips of size 4 inches by 12 inches. I have 2 strips and I'm going to stick this really well with my liquid adhesive, and I'm going to make sure that I press this really hard so that it sticks well and it is aligned really well. And now once it's done, this is how my box is going to look. Now I need to stick the sides of my boxes, and I'm going to use my the regular cello tape. You can even have the extra edges at the corner and stick your boxes, but I found this one really easy and quick to make, and anyways it is going to get covered because I'm going to have my beautiful pattern paper on the top of this. Once my box is ready, it's time to make the flap. So here I have the 2 paper strips of size 3.75 inches by 11.5 inches. Now this has to be a little smaller than the box because it has to fit inside the box, and it needs to come out really easy. So you can choose the dimensions according to your convenience and according to your choice, but this is what I really liked because this was just perfect to bring out my flaps out of the box. I'm just folding the edges and then I'm going to keep it inside the box. And yes, now we need to make 2 more boxes and 2 more flaps, and yes, I have already pre-cut the papers, and now I'm going to stick it. Now for the second layer, I have taken the paper strip of size 3 inches by 9 inches. These are the 2 strips, and the process of sticking all the boxes and flaps are same. It's just the dimensions are different. Of course, all the layer is a little smaller than the other so that it fits in inside really well. I have kept a margin of 0.25 inches to 2 inches, but you can always play around with the size and the variations you want to do, and you can even do the different sticking work. Like here I have used tape. You can even have some extra paper on the edges and fold it and stick it to the other side. Even that works. Even using your tacky tape also works perfectly for this one. While seeing the picture, it looks like it's a difficult one, but trust me, this is a super easy box what you can make. Repeating the same process for the third box, and this is the tiniest and the cutest box with the flap on my tower explosion box. Now the most interesting part starts. So here I have 3 ribbons of different sizes, 5 inches, 4 inches and 3 inches length. You can take a little extra, that's absolutely fine. And on the each page and the box, I'm going to make a slit and put my ribbon inside, and then I'm going to stick my ribbon with the liquid adhesive, and I'll put some tape for some extra bonding. Now this is something which is really important, that you need to make a slit a little bigger than your ribbon so that when you stick it, it sticks well to your base, and it has a lot of strength. Now here I am going to have my tape, and then I'm going to stick it. First I'm sticking it on the flap, and the other end of that ribbon has to be on the box. So I need to make a box at the bottom of the base, and I need to make sure that I have a slit bigger than the ribbon size so that I can easily insert the ribbon. And once I insert the ribbon from that portion, again I'm going to stick it with my liquid adhesive and my tape. I am not going to cover the base of this box, but in case if you want, you need to make sure that you have a beautiful pattern paper so that it looks cute. Now once you are sticking it, be sure that your papers are coming out, the flaps are coming out really well, so for having a smooth tower making. I'll repeat the same process for all the 3 boxes. Now my box is ready, and this is the paper for my cap. So here I have taken a lid size of 4.2 inches by 4.2 inches. As my box size is 4 inches, the bigger box size, so I'm just taking 0.2 inches on all the sides so that it fits in well and I can remove it well. So here I am going to cut the smaller slits on all the 4 sides, and I have already scored it at 1 inches from all the sides so that I can easily stick it and make a proper cover for my box. So my box is ready and I have 4 different size of papers here with the paper rectangular strips, and I'm going to stick it on all over. So I have this bigger square piece for my lid and the 4 strips for all the 4 sides, and then I have different 3 sizes paper cutouts for all the 3 boxes and all the 3 flaps, and I'm going to stick it really well with my liquid adhesive. So this is how my box looks, and now it's time to decorate the cover. So here I am keeping it little simple with adding just two beautiful paper flowers and adding my sentiment, the quotation, and with this my box is ready. And I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I am sharing few more pictures and a video at the end. Do check that, and if you have any queries, please do let me know. And if you want me to create something really interesting for you, do comment down in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching, and yes, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.